In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page to small text in Notion. Whether you're looking to increase efficiency by fitting more information onto the screen or simply striving for a cleaner and more aesthetically pleasing layout, adjusting the text size can be a game changer. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can easily apply this setting in your Notion workspace. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the specific page where you'd like to apply the small text setting. Open Notion on your preferred device and locate the page within your workspace. It might be a database, a project page, or even a personal journal entry, but this process is the same across any type of page you select. Once you have your page open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. It's here you'll find a small icon that looks like three horizontal dots, often known as the ellipsis or More Options button. This icon is your gateway to additional settings and customization features for your Notion page. Hover over or click on this three-dot icon. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears, presenting multiple options for how you can adjust the appearance and functionality of your page. Among these options, you'll see one called Small Text. It's designed to switch your page's text to a smaller font. This is particularly useful when you need to reduce clutter or simply prefer a more compact view for your content. Clicking the small text toggle will immediately change the text size across the entire page. This change is typically very quick and visually evident, providing you with an altered perspective that's both neat and efficient. If you're monitoring the change, you'll notice the uniformity in text size that allows more content to fit on the screen without having to scroll as much. It's a subtle yet powerful way to optimize your page layout in Notion. And just like that, you've successfully adjusted your page to small text. This simple transformation can greatly impact how you interact with and digest information within your workspace. Remember, these changes are reversible, so feel free to toggle it on or off based on your model preference or task at hand. Whether this is a permanent switch or just something you need for a specific project, the option to go back to the standard text size is always there. Appreciate the flexibility and versatility that Notion provides in helping tailor your workspace to suit your needs. Now that you know how to make your text smaller, you can apply this knowledge whenever you see fit to enhance your workflow. Don't forget to explore other features within the Settings menu to continue customizing your Notion experience. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!